Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with my third Amazon unboxing video. I got two packages. Let's go ahead and open up this first one together. I'm expecting so much more. And yes, these are a continuation of my other packages, which are for my small business. A package inside of a package. Shiny, the nude color, light pink, Barbie pink, didn't realize that was a color, light brown, and dark brown. So these are different lip gloss color pigments. They sent me the directions on how to use them. And I'm going to be working with a couple of these tonight. Now time to move on to the next one. So I'm going to place the pigments off to the side. Now for my next package. Of course, I'm going to need a knife for this. And let's see what's inside of this one. Ooh, I've been waiting on this one. So this is, I call it a corner cutter. It's the KW Trio 3-way corner punch. So I make my own business cards, and with this I can cut the corners off. I can round out the corners. So that's all for today's Amazon unboxing, and I will be posting again tomorrow for that Amazon unboxing.